computer.
Yeah.
Okay. What chapter you want to do today? You want to do revision, right? You saying?
But, uh,
You said you wanted to revise something?
um, Miss Ford, I have a good idea. So we for like 30 minutes for English, we do like for every chapter revision,
Oh,
MCQ.
okay.
Then we see what topic about and
The MCQ I gave that day was what? Chem or bio? Okay.
the one critical, right?
Yeah, I remember I gave something as homework. So you want me to give you MCQ first?
Yeah. To check like my understanding for
Of whichever topic lah. Okay.
see what topic about that.
All right,
Can
can.
I think also obviously can.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, wait, I show you all the syllabus first.
Yeah.
This is the entire syllabus there. Ding 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 ding. Okay.
I'm probably bad at question seven.
Chapter 7, estimates and thoughts.
Chapter seven. Chapter six and seven. Not joking, I'm not joking, okay? I'm being serious. I'm being serious.
Okay.
I'm being actually
Chemical.
absolutely serious.
Okay, chemical reactions
I'm
and
probably
chemical
in
energy.
chapter four.
Hello, Miss Tina.
Four and six.
Sorry, what did you say, Hyunho?
Good evening, Miss Tina.
Hi. Which chapters do you need revision on?
Me? I don't need.
You don't
Huh?
need. Okay.
So ego.
Because you have to redo everything anyway, right? Is it?
Yeah, four and six and like I swear to God, I'm not joking, okay?
Okay. Okay, let me find. So let me print out.
And just awesome. Then stretch it for me. So after I finished in that class, when that stood up, I had really bad cramps. Scary.
My entire arm is still hurt, so I understand your pain. It's so bad. It's really painful.
So bad.
Yeah.
So looking awesome.
Thank you. Okay, we did esters that day, right?
Oh, oh, yes.
Yeah, it is. Okay, we do until question 33. Page 11, 2 to 11. You have your own periodic table?
No.
Yes, you have your own
Mm,
periodic table, ah?
oh, yeah, I can. Yeah.
Okay. Year 10 Chem 08122025. Save. Okay. You want me to send to you through Zoom, through WhatsApp, or through
Uh, watch it.
WhatsApp, ah? Okay. Like physically lah, it's online lah.
Yeah.
That's why I was already in 2 days.
Okay.
So happy.
Okay. You can go to your paper. You got the paper?
Wait a minute, Miss. Yeah, I got a paper, but
Okay, you can start doing, okay?
yeah. Mm,
Sorry? Sure. Hmm? Eh?
You.
Come on.
Voice dark.
Yeah, yeah, yes. All right. Guys can mark. Can see,
Yeah, I can see me.
Okay.
Um,
You will have the marks from the first line. Maybe on the school.
Okay.
Okay. No, no, bathroom.
Are you done? Can I scroll down?
Okay. Maybe I'm not be a genius. I'm not be though.
oh, okay, miss.
Okay.
Uh,
No.
Okay. Can I go down?
Tapi no, I'm an open deal.
Okay. Okay?
oh, yeah, miss.
Methane is greenhouse gas.
Yes. Okay, let me go
Since
through.
when?
We'll go through again. We'll go through again.
Okay, what that?
Okay, how?
See.
Okay, out of 33, right? How many did you get?
18.
18. Okay, let's go through.
Three. Three. Wait, actually, it's not bad. 29 or 50.
29 out of
30.
33. Okay. All right, let's look at it one by one.
There's one more I could call in the one more. Wait. Because I
Okay, fastest rate of diffusion, you always choose the lowest molar mass. So that has to be hydrogen, right? Okay. Now, 1 decimeter cube, most particles is when it's most closely packed. When is it most closely packed? The solid lah. Get it? Most particles, right? Okay. Why isotopes have the same chemical properties? It's always talking about electronic structure. Okay. This one, ionic compound. You need to know by now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means it's 2 negative. 1 means it's 1 positive. Okay. So it's PQ2. All right, get it? Fermentation. Okay, this one, even if you don't know what they're talking about, you just see the word solid yeast. Solid from the mixture of ethanol solution is the filtration lah. You know how to remove a solid.
I mean, it might be like really, really small.
Yeah, that's the matter. You just have to learn how to read carefully. Okay? Which row explains why copper, okay? Wait, is a good conductor. So copper ions, no, it's not ions. A metal is because of electrons. Okay? Graphite is this one. It's can slide. Diamond and graphite can be used as electron. No. Both have covalent bonds. Diamond is hard with high melting point. It's soft but not with low melting point. It's also high melting point. Diamond and graphite are both pure carbon. They are both macromolecules. Yes. Okay? Sodium nitrite is N3 negative. Sodium nitrite is unstable and decomposes. Equation, so it's just balancing lah. So there's no such thing as Na2. There's no such thing as N2 like that. So the answer is, yeah, because it's Na plus N3 negative. Okay, so you swap it, it's Na3N. Alright. Compound X contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, this one is calculation. Do you remember how to count the empirical formula? So CHO, you take 26.7 divide 12, 2.2 divide 1, and then the remainder is how much? 71.1 divide 16. So what do you get? Okay. So after you get the ratio, you divide the smallest number. Do you remember how to do or not? Cannot, you remember how to do? Okay, let me count for you lah. 12. You get 2.225. 23, right? 2.23, right?
Oh yeah,
This one is 2.2, and this one is
4.44.
divide 60. 4.44. So it's 1 to 1 to 2. Okay? Can? Cannot, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Cesium fluoride is an ionic compound. Which statement about cesium fluoride is correct? Ionic conducts electricity when solid? No, when molten. High melting point? Yes. Soluble in water? Yes. Highly volatile? No, volatile means evaporates easily. Yeah, evaporates easily. So the answer is 2 and 3. It means unstable lah. Okay?
No, I thought water means in like the parcel boxes, it's water.
That's what it means, what?
It does?
Combust hazard,
Whoa.
dangerous. Okay? Which diagram shows the direction of ions and electrons? Okay, so cathode is a negative terminal, anode is positive terminal. An ion will go to the anode and will get release electrons. So correct, release electron. The electron go here, sodium ion, so answer is A. Correct?
Yes.
Hmm?
I look keep
Is the answer A?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
I can actually know what I'm doing now.
Okay, that's very important. You need to know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh.
You get it or not? Because chloride and ion will release electron. This one you must know. Here is release electron. Okay, and then sodium ion goes here. It's positive. It must gain electron to change back to sodium.
Yeah.
Okay, get it?
Yeah, please.
Okay, this one calculation. Calcium carbonate reacts with dilute. Okay. So now what must you count?
Moles.
How do you count moles?
I don't remember. That's a
Okay, so 10 mass over molar mass. So you take for calcium carbonate 10 over 100, you get 0.1.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, excess dilute hydrochloric acid means you don't need to calculate hydrochloric acid. So if this is 0.1, this is also 0.1, correct? So you take 0.1, multiply the molar mass of CO2 is 44. So you get 4.4 grams.
Yeah.
Okay, can?
Yeah.
Molten sodium chloride and concentrated sodium chloride are electrolyzed using platinum. What are the products? Okay, so molten, this one you must write it down. Don't leave your paper beautiful, empty like that. It's very dangerous. Molten means there is only sodium and chloride. Because when you don't write things down, that's where mistakes happen. Aqueous means sodium, hydrogen, hydroxide, chloride. So you need to know, concentrated, you choose hydrogen and chloride.
Oh yeah.
Ah,
Wait, you think chloride?
molten, you choose sodium and chloride.
I thought chloride was with like transition. Oh yeah, transition between
Transition is between these. Ah,
copper and something you choose.
when it's concentrated, you choose chloride, bromide, iodide. Diluted, you choose hydroxide. So, what is at the cathode? Yes, I know they're asking cathode only, so this one only. So, sodium, hydrogen, C.
Of course.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yay, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. 14. Electroplated. Electroplate, the negative is always, object, let's say a spoon, is always at the negative. And this, if you want to plate with silver, the electrode must be made from silver. The electrolyte must be a silver solution, like silver nitrate. Okay? The object always has to be the negative. The negative is the cathode.
Oh, and this I remember. For the thought, I know right. You never choose. What's called the NO3.
Yes, never choose. Yes, never.
And then the transition method you choose was. Mm.
Which row describes endothermic? Endothermic means absorb heat. Okay, absorb heat to change it to chemical energy. After absorb heat, you no more heat, so you become cold. Get it? Okay, so energy is taken in and the temperature decreases. C. Which statement about fuels is correct? Heat energy is only produced by burning fuels. No. Hydrogen is used as a fuel, although it is difficult to store. Yes, correct. Methane is a good fuel because it only produces water. No. Methane produces carbon dioxide and water. Okay? Uranium is burned in anode. Uranium is just breaks apart, decomposes. Which statement of an endothermic exotherm is correct? In an endothermic reaction, less energy is absorbed. No, more energy is absorbed. Okay? The activation is always higher than in an exothermic. Not necessarily. It depends. In an exothermic reaction, more energy is absorbed. No, exothermic, the reactants are on a higher energy level than the product. Yes. Okay? So 17 is D. 18. Okay. Equilibrium means the rate of the forward and reverse reactions are equal and no more changes in the concentrations. Okay? All right. Both the forward and backward reaction have the same rate. Yes, correct. That is what equilibrium means. Okay. How does increasing the concentration affect the reacting particles' chemical reaction? All right. Rate, collision rate increase. Yes, correct. It will collide faster. Proportion with activation energy. No, this is only when you increase temperature. Only when you increase temperature or at a catalyst lah. Okay? So the answer is A. Get it? Methyl orange is red in acid and yellow in alkali, and when it's neutral, it's orange. That's why it's called methyl orange. Okay? So color in dilute hydrochloric acid, red. Aqueous sodium hydroxide, yellow. Remember? Zinc oxide is amphoteric. Amphoteric means it reacts with both sand bases. There's only two, iron oxide and zinc oxide. Oh, sorry, aluminium oxide. Iron oxide actually is also, but you don't need to learn that. You just need to learn aluminium oxide and zinc oxide. These are the only two amphoterics that they will ask you. Okay?
Zinc oxide is.
Metal oxide.
I think it's two, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
ZNO.
ZNO, yeah.
Okay. Information about some silver compounds are shown. Okay, this one. Silver and copper never ever react with acid. Remember those that are below hydrogen. Copper, silver, gold. They don't react with acid. So this one cannot. Okay?
Oh. Oh.
This is an insoluble salt. Insoluble salt must use soluble salt plus soluble. Not, this one can, right? This one can. Because this one can. No, this one cannot. That's the answer. Everything else can.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh, that's why. I was thinking like more.
Why cannot, right?
Yeah, overcomplicated.
Okay. All right. Aqueous ethanoic acid is a weak acid. Aqueous sodium hydroxide is a strong base. Aqueous ethanoic acid is neutralized by sodium hydroxide. Which statement is correct? Okay, even though it's a weak acid, it's still an acid. It still accepts proton. But it doesn't accept from hydroxide ion. It accepts, it doesn't, it's still a proton donor, not acceptor. Proton donor. Okay, so accepts proton is dead wrong. Aqueous ethanoic is fully ionized. No, it's partially ionized.
That's why.
Yeah. It's fully dissociated the ions. Yes, sodium hydroxide is strong alkali, yes. The reaction produces salt and water, yes. So 3 and 4. Metal X, element X, full outer shell. This one, group 8 this one don't need to read also, you know. Okay. This one is basically, this one's a reactivity series. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, carbon, zinc. If you don't know how to memorize this, please write this down. Hydrogen, copper, silver, gold.
My friend was talking about, please stop calling me a crazy blah blah blah.
Yeah, I know. Whatever makes you memorize it. So because sodium is here, sodium oxide will not give carbon. So 10. Sodium oxide also will not give iron. Iron oxide also will not give copper because copper is lower. No, the one that is higher can steal the oxygen. Can carbon steal from iron oxide? Yes, carbon is higher than iron. Okay, can? Which statement about extraction of aluminium is correct? Aluminium is formed at the, okay, so do you remember? Aluminium oxide is the electrolysis one, this one. Okay, whenever you forget, draw it out. So the top is positive so that the oxygen will be produced up. The down lower one is negative so that aluminium ion is produced below. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, aluminium is formed at the cathode. Yes, correct. Okay. During the electrolysis of aluminium oxide. Hematite. No, it's not hematite. It's bauxite. It's important to know the correct answers for the wrong one also.
Hematite is like.
Okay. Molten cryolite is used to raise the melting point. No. Oxygen gains electron. No. Sometimes you don't read carefully. You say, hey, not what, right? But it loses electron. Please write this down.
I almost lost my answer.
Please write this down. It loses electrons. So the answer is A. Brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. Okay? Nickel, no, it's stainless steel. Chromium, nickels, iron, carbon. Okay, that one is stainless steel. Okay. Obviously, it forms a chloride with color. It's a high density, so it acts as a catalyst. Okay? It's talking about transition metal. Yeah. Even if you don't know whether it's high or not, you see the melting point so high, the colored compound, right? Okay. Ammonia is, okay, so you need to know Haber and contact. Haber catalyst is iron, contact is vanadium 5 oxide. The temperature is the same, 450 degrees Celsius. Pressure for Haber is 200. Contact is only 1 to 2. Okay, the temperature is the same. So the raw material for Haber is the source of nitrogen is air because air is 78% nitrogen. The source of hydrogen is hydrocarbons or methane. Okay? Temperature is 450. Pressure is 200. So answer is A and C. Okay? That's it. Okay, acting as a base in this, okay, a base is a proton acceptor. Okay, so you see, the proton is a hydrogen ion. Here, acid and water, right?
Yeah.
See, at first, water doesn't have that hydrogen ion extra. When it changes to this to this, it gain hydrogen ion. So this one acts as a base. But when you go back, this one accepts the hydrogen ion. So this one is the second base. We're talking about two directions. Okay? The contact process catalyst is vanadium 5 oxide. This one you must memorize. Okay? Methane is formed from the cattle. Remember the cow farts, we talked about it. It is a greenhouse gas. Okay? Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Yes, both are greenhouse gas. Okay.
Isn't methane the thing? The
CH4.
H4.
Yeah, but it's also coming from cattle. What?
Why is it a greenhouse gas?
It is a greenhouse gas. We learned it before. Carbon dioxide and methane are the two greenhouse gas. Yes. Okay, and ester. Okay, this one I just taught you last week.
Yeah.
This part comes from the acid. So, and this part comes from the alcohol. So alcohol has three, so it's propane 1-ol. It has to be 1-ol, and then ethanoic acid, D. Okay? Until here already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Hyun, oh, any questions? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one more. What do you guys want to do? Paper 4 or paper 2? Huh? Paper 2 is too easy. We do one paper 4, Okay. Okay. 78% of clean dry air, nitrogen. The question says name, so you must write the name. Okay? All right. Electronic structure 281, sodium. Hematite, iron. No, element. Okay. Forms an oxide, silicon. Gas with the slowest rate of diffusion. Okay, so the question is asking you from first 30 elements,
Oh, I'm so stupid. I put carbon dioxide.
Wait, let me open the periodic table for you.
Yeah, I just felt like it.
Okay. First 30 elements. Okay, that means all the way until zinc, right? Okay. Who is the gas? Only these guys are gas, right? Two, 10, 18. All right. Fluorine is F2. Chlorine is Cl2. O2. So which one is the highest? Chlorine. Cl2. Gas. Gas. What does the question say? Look again. Slowest rate of diffusion at room temperature. That means chlorine lah.
Oh.
You all get it or not? It's a gas. First 30 elements only. That means you end at zinc. Only these few guys are gases. Only gas, 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 and gas. And of course, nitrogen is a gas lah. Understand? Anhydrous chloride returns pink, cobalt. Aqueous ion white precipitate when added to silver ion, silver chloride, so chlorine. Okay? Forms a blue hydroxide when dissolves copper. Eh? Is it in the first 30?
Copper, yes. No, yes, please, please, please.
Oh, yes, right on the dot.
Yeah, let's go.
Copper.
What else? Is there any other?
Huh?
Like,
No.
there's just no copper.
Add to molten iron to remove impurities. It still means it's carbon. This one you haven't learned, but yeah. Used to galvanize zinc. Remember what's galvanizing? A layer. Okay. All right. This one. State symbols. Solid. Aqueous. AQ. Liquid. Gas. Mg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 2, 8, 7.
Oh, it's 287.
Ayo. Okay, get it?
Wait, can I put one minus? One half?
No, you can just put minus. Oh, 1 minus. Yes, 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 1 minus. Sorry. Oh, it's 1 minus. Okay, okay, just put minus.
Yes.
Right. Oh, okay. This one okay?
You know, for that,
Yeah, it's okay.
in an exam, if it says to draw a dot and cross diagram, can I just put like the outer shell in you? Do I have to put the inner shell?
No, no, they will ask you what to draw. You must draw, you must complete because the question says complete the dot and cross diagram show electron arrangement. Electron arrangement. Electron arrangement is 2, 8, 2, 7, that one.
Yeah.
This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Or the other way around also can. Okay, got it?
That's me.
Describe how the okay. The graph is less steep as less steep with time. Okay,
Alright.
how the gradient also decreases, can. The gradient decreases with time also can. Can. Okay, why the rate of reaction? In one reaction, it's always concentration. The concentration of, who is this I'm using? Hydrochloric acid. Of acid decreases. Hydrochloric acid, right?
Yeah.
HCl decreases with time.
Mango.
The, huh?
Magnesium carbonate.
No, the aqueous solution. Concentration is the solution. Concentration of hydrochloride decreases with time. The amount of particles per unit volume decreases, rate of collision decreases.
I say concentration or RBI that particle thing.
No, you must say acid. Concentration must be an aqueous solution. Remember, this is not how you feel.
Yes. Wait, miss, so is that either one? Altogether.
Huh?
One mark. Is that either one?
Which
Okay.
one? No, it's 2 marks. You have to write all.
Okay.
Okay. The student repeats experiment using powdered magnesium carbonate instead of large pieces. All the other conditions stay the same. On the grid, draw the line to expect if you use powdered instead of large pieces. So powdered will be faster or slower? Faster, but ends the same.
Okay. No, I
Right,
thought
what?
no, I saw powder instead of large.
Still correct, what?
No, I thought this one. Choose this.
Oh,
Cause I thought they use powder and we have to draw large.
not correct, what?
Huh? No, I did.
Instead of, oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Calculate the number of moles. So 25 times 0.4 over 1,000, you get
0.1.
0.01. Okay. So if this one is 0.01, carbon dioxide is half, right? Correct? The ratio is 2 to 1. Ken, am I too fast?
No, wait a minute.
Okay. All right. This one is 0.005 times 24 times 1,000 because it's cm cubed. So how much is this?
1,012. No, 120.
120. Okay. Ken,
Yeah,
you guys got it?
yes.
Okay. Please complete. Do question 3. Just do question 3. Question 3 is very long. Just do question. No. Actually, yeah. Do until you finish. Do until question 5. Finish question 3. It's quite long. It's actually 2 questions combined.
Okay.
This one is, I read it wrongly. They want to remove the carbon. They use oxygen, but this one is no longer in your syllabus.
Oh,
Okay? Yeah.
what was it used to be? Like, what
No, this one is the steel. This is steel. That means after you make the iron, you want to make steel. Steel has less percentage of carbon. So you get rid of the excess carbon by blasting in oxygen to react to form carbon dioxide.
It's not.
Not in your syllabus
I
anymore.
don't learn it in
Yeah. Okay. Now, do you remember this? I taught you about the car. I drew the car for you all. Okay, and I say if you put fossil fuel inside, it will come out a few things. From the exhaust, carbon dioxide because of combustion, carbon monoxide is incomplete combustion, sulfur dioxide is because in the fossil fuel there's sulfur. But there is also nitrogen dioxide, but that's not because it's nitrogen. It's because in the air there is 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. They usually don't react, but when they are sucked through the engine, they come out, they also become nitrogen oxide. Okay? So nitrogen and oxygen from air react in high temperature of engines.
Just say to form a valve. Like,
No, you have to say in, yeah, as long as you say they react in high temperatures of car engine.
from
Okay, high heat also can. Of car engines. Okay. Nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so adverse effect. It causes acid rain. Okay. Nitrogen dioxide emission can be reduced by adding aqueous, okay, solution of urea. The heat of the exhaust breaks down the urea into simpler substances. If you want to heat up something until it breaks down, it's called thermal decomposition. Okay. One molecule of urea. This one, you literally just put everything together. What's left over? So here, how many hydrogen? How many nitrogen? 2 nitrogens, 4 hydrogens, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen. So here there's 1 carbon, 1 oxygen left. And how many? 1 nitrogen used up, so 1 nitrogen. 3 hydrogen used up, so 1 hydrogen. Okay? Any sequence. You want to write HCNO also can. Doesn't matter.
How about like COH and
As long as all 4 are there. State the test for ammonia. Damp, red litmus paper. Remember, ammonia is an alkaline gas. It turns blue. Acid, base, and alkali must memorize. Again,
you should revise about that.
yes, we need to, but after we finish the syllabus, we'll revise that. Okay? Okay, how to balance this equation? Always balance the element last. Okay? See, how many hydrogen here?
24.
24. So here you put how many oxygen here? 12. So here you put 6. Then you count the nitrogen. Here is 14. So here you need how many? 7. Is it balanced?
Yes.
How does it show it is reduced? It loses oxygen.
Deep electron.
How can you see any electron? It's all covalent.
Also like reduction is gain electron. No?
Yeah. Term redox, oxidation and reduction occur.
Yeah. Is that.
135 moles of urea is stored in the tank of a car. Calculate the mass. So you just take 135, multiply the molar mass. The molar mass here is 60. So just multiply 60. You get 8100 and it's 8.1 kg. This one is in gram. Okay. Another oxide of nitrogen is nitrogen monoxide. Catalytic converter removes nitrogen dioxide by reacting with gas formed by incomplete combustion. It is carbon monoxide. So what happens is CO reacts with NO, becomes N2 and CO2. Get it? All right, so it is nitrogen and carbon dioxide.
Oh, I got it correct. I made the answer.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, how to balance this? You just literally just do half here and then times 2 to everything. Okay, Hyun, do you understand?
Oh, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Okay, can you do the last question? Hey, this one done already, ah? Oh, yeah. Electricity breaks down in the aqueous of molten electrolysis. You don't know this, we sit down and cry. Okay, explain why ionic for the ions to move freely.
Can I say ionic compound does not convert electricity unless in.
No, why? You must explain why.
I mean.
No! Why would anybody write the opposite? That does not make sense. Why would anybody write the opposite? Okay? Brine is concentrated sodium hydroxide. Literally, we did it just now. Hydrogen, sodium, chloride, hydroxide. First product, hydrogen. Because H plus 2E become H2. Second product, chlorine. Cl negative becomes Cl2 plus 2E. Who is left over? Sodium hydroxide. NaOH. Get it? Okay, this is the repeat of just now that question. Almost the same. Different substance form when molten. Molten will be Na with Cl, so sodium. All right. Okay, now you can finish the question. Can all be okay?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. All right. The question is about alkane and alkenes. Short chain alkanes and alkenes can be formed from long chain in a chemical reaction. Name the type of chemical reaction formed when a short chain alkane and alkenes form long chain. This is cracking. Remember? Yeah, the breaking apart. Decane has 10 carbons. So alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So C10H22. It forms ethane, C2H6, and ethene. Ethene is alkene, CnH2n. So C2H4 as the only product in this type of chemical reaction. So how do you balance it? Okay, so you use 4. No. 1 and 4. No, 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 no. This one 1, this one 4. Correct? I haven't balanced it. Okay. But do you understand what's going on?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, ethane, all hydrogen, right? Reacts with chlorine. Okay, so remember the swapping? 1 hydrogen swap with 1 chlorine. So this one will become Cl and this one will become HCl. Name the other product, not hydrochloric acid. It's called hydrogen chloride. Okay, it's only hydrochloric acid in water. State the condition UV light. Remember, this is a photochemical reaction. Remember not? Sounds familiar not?
Yeah.
Okay. Addition is very easy. Addition is only one product because they add on to each other. Okay, so addition is only one product.
Alright. If I write only one product in the whole answer is wrong.
Is formed, yeah, it's correct. Is formed. Okay. Do you get it? Do you remember how to do addition or not? So C2H4, you add chlorine, it becomes, this one open up, and then here's ClCl. Okay? Alright, so here, this is the reaction. It's the reaction already. Okay, what you need to do is you need to calculate all the bonds broken. So CH1, 2, 3, 4. So 410 times 4. CC is only 1 plus 610 plus CL 240. So you should get 2490. Okay, this one is CCl. So CCl is oh no, you're supposed to find it. Okay, so like this, okay? In Enthalpy change is in minus out. Enthalpy change is the energy change is given here, then negative. Then teacher, do I put the negative? Yes, you put the negative. So negative 180 equals to in 2490 minus out. So your out equals to 2490 plus 180. Okay, if you don't know how to do algebra, we all sit down and cry. Okay, so 2490 plus 180 equals to 2670. Gets it?
Yeah.
Okay, did you do the last one already or not?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Do you understand what's going on here?
Yes, miss.
You know, you understand?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Did you get the last answer yet?
No, I
Okay,
didn't get.
you count first, you count first. You count first the last answer.
3, 4.
Yeah. You can't let me hear. All right, so you know that this 2670 that you just counted is all of this. Okay? So now you need to find out the value of this. So you take 2670 minus 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 410 plus this one, CC 350 plus this one, you don't know how much, right? 2x. Okay? So 4 times 410 plus 2x plus 350. Okay? Equals to 2670. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right. So 2670 minus 4 times 410 minus 350, and then 680 divided by 2, you get 340.
It's like 3 marks.
Yeah, you just have to make sure you count properly.
Uh,
Mm,
It's just like this.
okay. All right. State the name given to the organic family with similar compounds. Homologous series.
What?
Then alkane, alkene, alcohol, homologous series. Explain why members of organic compound have similar chemical properties. The chemical properties are due to the
Same empirical formula.
same functional group.
Yeah.
Functional group is like OH, COOH, that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Give the name. This one is
Empirical formula.
no
I am stupid.
general formula.
I'm stupid.
Empirical formula is CHO2. This is empirical formula.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the N value of butyl butanoate? Very easy. Okay. Butyl got 4 carbons. Which one? Like propanoate.
Yeah.
Okay. Propanoate got 3 carbons. So the answer is 7 lah.
Yeah.
All 4 esters are liquids at room temperature. Name the technique used to separate ethyl propanoate from mixture of esters. Fractional distillation. If you want to separate a mixture of liquids, it's fractional distillation. All 4 esters can be reacting different alcohols with the same substance. Okay, the alcohol is the acid is propanoic acid. Okay, it's all propanoic acid. And this is methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. Okay, name this substance and draw its structure. Same substance is what acid? Propanoic acid.
Yeah.
So you're supposed to draw the structure of propanoic acid. C2H5 COOH. Name the alcohol used to make methyl propanoate. Methanol. Okay, do you understand? Sorry.